That's... Whoa. Oh my gosh. I love you, CapCut. I love you. You can... Yeah. Yeah, okay. Eh? 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 Remember, if you find random code on the internet, always install it on your computer. File. Right there. See, that's the file. This is what's in the file. XXX is the API key. Please work. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. For me, Mark isn't there. All we ever wanted to do was use Mark. But what we can do by the way, all I did was create a .env file right there, and I filled it with my API key and oh fuck. Oh shit, brother. No way. Did I just fix this thing? Oh man, I was really hoping. No way. No way. No way, no way, no way. No way, bro! Is this real? Is this real? If this just works, I'm just gonna be mind blown here.
The question you ask, what?
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 What?